if you're watching this, yes, I made a low piano tutorial because it's so great and I love it. I want more songs from Greyson, but we'll just be patient. But this is a piano tutorial for low by Greyson Chance. So he just plays 3 chords, but it's like a weird like pattern thing. So this is how it sounds like. Where is it? Oh, see, I'm already lost. Okay, and then you know the song. So for the left hand, we play 5 notes, I think. So we start with an A, then G sharp, and F sharp, E, and back to F sharp. And you all play this once. So it's like this. E sharp, F sharp. Wait. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp. Again. Now for the right hand, we play an A, but we start with a C sharp, E, and an A. C sharp, E, and A. Then we play an E major chord, so E, G sharp, B. And then we play an F major chord, so an F sharp, A, C sharp, and then you play E, an E, and then you go back to the F sharp major chord. So I'm gonna go through the slow part. I'm gonna go through it slowly, like 5 times or 3. I don't know. Okay. So here we go. We start with an A, G sharp on the left, E on the right, F sharp chord, E together, and then F sharp again. Slowly. Again, one more time. So I just, like, it was easier to play the E with the pinkies, so you just stay within the F sharp position. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna play it like the normal way. So it's like this. You get the gist of it. Just repeat. Go back to the parts where you were confused. He just uses those 4 chords or like that whole pattern throughout the song, so it's gonna be easy for you guys. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're confused with some parts, let me know down in the comments. Bye.